Hello dear students, welcome back to the class. Last video we discussed about conductors and insulators, and also we know about when two bodies that rub each other, that is having the charges. So how we can find out it's having the charge? Yes, today we are going to discussing taxonomy, the topic GLE, what gold leaf electroscope. Gold leaf electroscope. So, with the help of gold leaf electroscope, we can find out what this body having charge or not. So, Abraham Bennett invented the gold leaf electroscope in 1787. In 1787. Okay. So, with the help of these gold leaf electroscope, we can find out the body having what charge or not. So, what does this gold leaf electroscope? So, what is this gold leaf electroscope? I think you already made this gold leaf electroscope. I remember, yes, everyone knows you just done that experiment. Yeah, to say what is that gold leaf electroscope? Now, once again, we'll explain that, okay? A type of electroscope that consists of two gold leaves. A type of electroscope that consists of what? Two gold leaves and is used for what? Detecting the electric charge. So, this gold leaf that used for what? Detecting the electric charge of the body and for the classification of its polarity So, this is what gold leaf electroscope. Did you understand? What is gold leaf electroscope? What is GLE? Yes, GLE is a what type of electroscope that consists of what? Two gold leaves. So, and it is used for what? Yes, detecting electric charge. It is used for what? Detecting electric charge of the body and for the classification of its polarity. So, that is what? Gold leaf electroscope. So, what are the functions of this gold leaf electroscope? What are the functions of this gold leaf electroscope? Yes, there are two functions. First one, it can detect the charge to find whether a body having charge or not. To find whether a body having charge or not. So, I have one plastic ruler and the ruler clothes. I just rubbing together. Okay. Now we can find out it's having charge or not. No. So we can find out with this what with the help of gold leaf electroscope what it's having charge or not. Okay. Yes. And second function, it can use whether the body having positive charge or negative charge. So these are the two main functions of what gold leaf electroscope. You know, there are some electroscope is there. Okay, there are two types of electroscope is there. One is in the GLE and one more is there. Pit ball electroscope. What? Pit ball electroscope. Other one is what? Pit ball electroscope. Okay. Actually, this pit ball gold leaf electroscope that is more sensitive than this pit ball electroscope. That's why we use toward this gold leaf electroscope maximum everywhere. Okay. We are going to discussing that what the structure or this construction of what gold leaf electroscope. Okay, construction of gold leaf electroscope. For that we need a one glass jar, okay, and shellac seal and brass cap and what this copper brass rod and gold leaf and one brass strip, okay, and wooden base. That's we need. Okay. First we will take that glass jar and this glass jar that is fixed where the wooden base. Okay. And to the mouth of the bell jar we just passed away what? One brass rod. What? Brass rod. The brass rod that held in the position of what? Shellac seal or insulator. Held in position by a shellac seal. Okay, this is the shellac seal. Okay, now the brass rod that is connected with what? Brass cap, and this is also called as what? Disc. Okay, the other end that is connected with what? This brass rod having one. There is a two diverse. You can see, two strips. Okay, so one is that is what gold leaf. Okay, and another one that is what bar. What is it? Brass strip. Okay, this gold leaf that we were fixed with the help of gum or something. Okay, this only what now gold leaf electroscope. Okay, so and this gold leaf electroscope, their downside is we filled with what the kind of glass jar we fix is what pasted bottle tin strip or foil. Okay, tin foil. Okay, so this is the construction of what gold leaf electroscope. So this gold leaf electroscope that help us to what the whether the body having the charge or not. Now we are going to try that. I have one gold leaf electroscope. Okay, this is the gold leaf electroscope. Okay, so now I have one plastic ruler and also what one woolen cloth. Okay, now we are going to check that the body having charge or not. This having shellac seal and the brass strip and the small brass rod and the gold leaf. Instead of gold leaf there is aluminum foil is used. Okay, so this is our what gold leaf electroscope. Okay, so see I have a what one plastic stick and one woolen cloth. So now I just going to check this having what charge or not. Okay. You can observe that it's a diverging, no? Yes. So these plastic stick having what? Now it's a charge. So how can we find out these plastic having the which charge? Think about it's having what? Positive charge. So that's what now our gold leaf is also having the positive charge. So the same charges is what? Repelling each other. Same charges are repel each other. So same time you just take a what? Ebonite roll. Okay, and that rub with a what? Cat skin. And now you just close near to the what? Disc. Okay, so brass disc. So what will happen here? That's time you know said the negative charge that is more passing to the electroscope, the same charges that's diverge, that means ripple only. Okay, yes. So how can we find out it's having a positive charge or negative charge? It's having the negative charge. Okay, if it is having the negative charge, what will be happen? That will be repel each other. Okay, the same charges repel only. In case of positive and in case of negative, the same charges that will be the leads are repel each other, and in case of what, if it is a negative charge, that is repel each other. Okay, if it is positive or negative, that will be collapse. That will be collapse. Is it clear? So see, in case of gold leaf electroscope, how we can find out it's having the charge or not? You know that when we rub these glass rod or any plastic stick or ruler, we just rub with a what? Silk cloth or woolen cloth, what will be happen? And near to the glass where disc of the gold leaf electroscope. That time we can able to see these leads can that is a diverging, which means if it is have a positive charge, that is positive charge is what? It's a transferring to the gold leaf. So that's why the same charges repel each other. And you just take one ebonite rod and the cat skin. You know that when the ebonite rod that is rubbed with the cat skin, from the cat skin what the free electrons transferring to the ebonite rod, no? So that is becomes negative charge. That becomes negative charge. So that you take and just close near to the gold leaf electroscope, what will happen? The negative charge is passing through it. So both it is negative charge, that is repel each other. Okay. So how we can find out the nature? That you know that the negative charge, that is what repel each other, and the positive charges. Okay. Then the body is what? Positive charge. The leads of GLE collapsed. The leads of GLE collapsed. Okay. So then the body becomes what? Positive charge. It is because of charge from the negative charge GLE will flow to the positive charged body. Okay. You understand this topic? Okay. Thank you.